Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at the Cromer Crab and Lobster Festival on the edge of the Norfolk coast where the waves meet tradition. Once a year, the seaside town of Cromer transforms into a vibrant festival of flavour, history and adventure. From the legendary Cromer crab to the finest lobster dishes, this celebration celebrates seafood, local heritage and the people who bring it to life. Hello. How are you doing?
Thank you very much.
Can you explain to me what you're doing?
Yes, I'm letting the crab party.
So what?
New crab.
Yeah, a new one is it?
Yeah.
Right. You make these yourself? Or?
Putting it together.
Oh right.
Yeah. The net is made. And you buy the net and you buy the frame, then that's your time to put it together.
So these go out with the fishermen, do they? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
I thought they was a real crab, you see.
Huh?
I thought they was an edible type.
Animal?
Edible.
Oh, edible, no. Well, they were edible. They were at one time, weren't they?
These are real shells, yeah, they just...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody's eaten them somewhere along the line. You've had a few of them.
Experience mouth-watering cookery shows, bustling markets and live music that carries on the salty breeze.
Can I change my mind and have no mayo on that brown? No butter, no mayo. Not brown, please. Sorry. Brown, no butter, no mayo. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's take a look inside the cookery tent and see what's going on.
You guys want to ask me?
I could play payback time.
Right, so today we are from the Cottonville Hotel, just up the road, and today we will be doing crab cakes for you. Our special and amazing Harry. Can we all say hello to Harry, please? Picking some off so that you can all try some. Okay, so if you want to talk through what you're doing.
I'll put the mash in the bowl. And then the crab in the bowl. Not too much crab.
What are you putting in? What are you putting in?
Mayo, lemon, capers, crab, mash.
We've got a lot of help. So what we're doing, we're just binding everything together.
Just binding everything together. Make it seasoning at the end. Mix it.
I think the term is binding.
Okay,
Yeah. Perfect.
A bit of flour and that, it's a bit wet. Stuff gluten-free.
So what Harry's doing is sometimes if your potato's a bit wet, sometimes if the crab's a bit wet, you may need to adjust the recipe with a little bit more flour or a bit less flour. The best thing to do at this stage is to chill them in the fridge for maybe half an hour before you cook. Right, how we get on? Right, so as you said, at this stage we would chip it down just to make it firm. And also for cooking, we can either do an egg wash and breadcrumb if you prefer that, or well, can you all say hello please? Thank you.
I just came to see if you needed a voice. I think it's worth at least an hour.
Are you going to try, Alana? Thank you, everybody.
It's more than just food, it's a story told through generations, a town steeped in mystery and a weekend of unforgettable moments.
Good.
So you're the National Coast?
We are Coast Watch, yes.
Yeah.
Coast
Can you explain what you do then?
Yeah, we're at East Runton Car Park, and we've got a unit there, and we look out to sea, and we keep an eye on the ships that pass. We have to log them for head office or for Humber, and then we look after the beach, make sure everybody's safe on there, and we also look for cliff falls and see if the cliff falls, then we have to report everything in. So that's what our jobs are.
Yeah, are you volunteers?
We're all volunteers.
Oh, that's fantastic.
We're open 7 days a week. The unit's open 7 days a week. So
That's amazing.
So that's
Yeah.
what we do. So
Oh, well done.
we enjoy it.
Actually,
Thank you.
because
Yeah.
obviously we are public, we are funded by public donation. So any publicity that we get, which encourages people to help us with our running costs, is always very, very gratefully accepted.
The Norfolk Wildlife Trust puts on a fine display. Where the feasts begin, the fun never stops and the sea whispers its secrets. Cromer Crab and Lobster Festival 2025, your adventure awaits.